In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WhatsApp chat button to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. This feature is a fantastic way to enable real-time communication with your users, allowing them to reach out with questions or feedback effortlessly. Let's dive into it. First, we'll need to open the Hostinger Website Builder. If you haven't done so already, log into your Hostinger account, and from your dashboard, select the Website Builder option. This tool is intuitive and designed to make the entire website customization process smooth and efficient. Once you're inside the builder, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available at your disposal. Next, decide on which page you want your WhatsApp chat button to appear. It could be your home page, contact page, or any other page that you deem important for communication. Keep in mind that placing it on a page where most of your visitors land can enhance the visibility and accessibility of the chat button. Once you've made your page selection, it's time to add the chat functionality. Head over to the Elements menu, which is typically located on the sidebar. Here, you'll see a wide range of options, but for today, we're focusing on the WhatsApp chat widget. Click on this option and drag it onto the page. As you do this, you'll notice a placeholder for your widget. This is where the magic happens. Now, with the widget in place, you'll need to enter your WhatsApp phone number. This is a crucial step because this is the number visitors will use to reach you. Make sure to enter the number correctly, including the country code, without any spaces or special characters. This ensures that users can seamlessly connect with you without experiencing any errors or complications. After entering your phone number, it's time to make your chat button your own with customization. Hostinger allows you to adjust the button style and position to match your site's design and your branding. You can modify the color, shape, and even the text that appears on the button. Experiment with these settings until you're satisfied with how the button looks. In addition, think carefully about its placement on the page to ensure it doesn't obstruct other important elements while still remaining accessible. With the adjustments complete, you're ready for the final step, saving and publishing your changes. Find the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the Builder interface. Once you've saved everything, go ahead and publish your website. Keep in mind that these changes might take a moment to appear live, so be patient. And there you have it, a fully functional WhatsApp chat button on your website through Hostinger's Website Builder. This addition can significantly enhance the user experience on your site, allowing visitors to connect with you easily. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you facilitate better communication on your website.